Miracle-Gro Large Dual Chamber Compost Tumbler, easy turn, fast working system, all season, heavy duty, high volume composter with 2 sliding doors plus free Scott's gardening gloves, 227.7 gallons 105L. Your recipe for plentiful plants. Do you dream of a huge harvest or a front yard full of vibrant flowers? Achieve all of your garden goals with Miracle-Gro's large 2x 27.7 gallons, 105L, dual chamber rolling compost tumbler. It'll help you produce a constant and abundant flow of the coveted black gold. Give your plants the nutrient-dense fertilizer they crave and watch your garden bloom like never before. Double duty, constant compost. Serious gardeners need an endless supply of compost to keep their gardens looking and producing their best. Miracle-Gro's turning garden composter does just that with its dual chamber design and high volume capacity. Add compost ingredients to one side while letting the other side cure, and you'll never get caught without compost again. Fast and easy. Stop struggling with that clunky, cumbersome, difficult to use outdoor compost bin. Miracle-Gro's rotating compost bin is easy to use for everyone. Our efficient tumbler system is simple to load and unload while creating perfectly cooked